Hello everyone, I'm Georgie. I'm going to take you through some beginner's balances now. We're going to start off in a comfortable seat. You might like to sit up on a block or any seat which is comfortable for you. We're going to come into Ujjayi breath. For this breath, we're going to inhale for 3 through the nose. Exhale for 6 through the nose. Take your time. In for 3, out for 6. And as we practice Ujjayi breath, we need to think about creating an ocean-like sound with the back of the throat. So it sounds like this. Have a go at that. Well done. Carry on with that breath throughout the practice if it feels good for you. We're going to come onto all fours. Wrists under shoulders, knees are under hips, spread the fingers wide. We're going to reach the right hand forward, left foot back. Really flex that left foot as much as you can. Notice how we're having to balance on 2 different points here. And what we're doing when we balance in this way is having to engage lots of different muscles that are not used to being switched on. Let's change sides. Keep breathing. Notice how it might feel different on this side. Lovely. From here, we are going to come into downward facing dog and walk our feet up to stand. Bend the knees as much or as little as feels good for you. Rolling it up to stand. Well done. So we're in Tadasana now, mountain pose. And I'd like you to consider the fact that when we first start learning to walk as toddlers, babies, this pose in itself is a balance. So we do see Tadasana as a balance. Close your eyes down, lift all 10 toes off the floor, and then place them back down one at a time. Really checking in with our center of gravity here. Keeping the eyes shut if it feels safe for you. We're going to lean forwards, tilt, and backwards. Side to side and back to the center, opening the eyes, noticing how much our gaze helps us to balance. We're going to come now into flamingo. So that lovely foot to earth connection that we've got, we're going to shift it all into your right foot. Lift the left toes just a little bit off the floor, holding it here. From there, we're going to push the foot out to the side, reach up high, and maybe we start to tilt away from the midline. Now I've got a nice soft supporting leg. That's going to help us to balance. Bringing it back to center. Well done. Let's try that on the other side. Shifting our weight into our right foot, lifting the left foot just a tiny bit off the floor. And then we're going to move into star pose. Lifting the arms, pushing the foot away, maybe tilting a little bit to the side. And if you're wobbling, don't worry. This is all part of learning where our edge is. Okay, we're going to have a go now at tree pose, modified tree. So soft supporting leg. Turn your left knee out to the side and we're just going to rest it there. And if you'd like a little bit more, we're going to lift it up just below the knee. Option with the arms, we can push the hands together or we can lift those fingertips up, 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 volcano arms. Bring those palms back down, changing sides. Okay, soft supporting leg, turn from the hip and lift that foot to below the knee. Notice how this side might feel different. Start to bring some awareness to where the muscles are turning on and which muscles we can turn off. Well done. Bring those feet back together. Coming into Tadasana. Inhale, palms touch. Exhale, we're going to sigh it out through the mouth. And again. One more time. Hands to the heart center, and we are going to finish with Namaste.